Welcome back. Today we will understand the difference between the compound interest and simple interest, specifically for 2 years. Here, if we look at the simple interest formula for 2 years, simple interest is PTR over 100. Your principal is P, your rate remains R, and time is 2 years. So P time is 2 years, rate is R over 100. So this becomes 2PR over 100. Now for the same period, we are looking at the amount when it is compounded yearly. So amount is P 1 plus R over 100 the whole power 2. So the period here is taken as 2, which is 2 years. So now we want to expand this using the identity A plus B the whole square. This is A plus B the whole square. So we know it is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here it is 1 square becomes 1, 2 times R over 100 times 1 plus R over 100 the whole square. So here we get the whole square. So now we are looking at the difference between amount and the principal. So which is CI, compound interest is amount minus principal. So we know this is our amount. From this we take away the principal, so we'll be left with the compound interest, which we will earn in 2 years. So now with factorization, this P and this P is taken out as a common element, which is here. From here, the factor that is left is 1, which we have highlighted it here. Now, since we know that this plus 1 and minus 1 should be taken away, so this is lost. So we are now left with CI as P times this particular number. So this is our compound interest for 2 years. So we simply expand, which means this P is distributed to this as well as this, and we are left with this particular. So now therefore the difference between CI and SI for 2 years, so CI we know is this is the number which we can see is placed right here, and simple interest for 2 years was already done up there, which is this. So this difference we're looking at, so this element and this element is exact identical, so we are getting rid of this. So we are left with a simple P R over 100 the whole power 2. So simple interest, so rather the difference between CI and SI for 2 years compounded yearly or annually is P R over 100 the whole square, which is here. If we want to consider the difference between the CI and SI for 1 year, compound interest compounded half yearly, so again the period is 2. So the same formula modifies to become PR over 200 the whole power 2. The only difference is the rate gets divided by 2. There was 2, the period here was 2, even here the period remains 2. So instead of R it is R over 2, which means the rate of interest is half yearly now. So this is the formula that can be used, which can be very easy, which means you don't have to do the manual working for simple interest for 2 years, then finding the compound interest for 2 years. Rather straight away use this formula and you are done. You can save a lot of your time. Thank you so